Hello, this video demonstrates how to resolve the error message as seen here at the bottom of the Control Expert output window. Error message E1208, usage of dynamic arrays is disabled. So in our project, when we're using arrays, in this example, I have an array of 16 integers, and it's called var_1. So I can use var_1, and in this example, I'm just writing just a value of 123 into that array. However, I'm getting an error message when I do a build. Usage of dynamic arrays is disabled. Well, to resolve it, we have to just enable that option in the project settings. So let's go there. So go to Tools, Project Settings, and it's this option here, Allow Dynamic Arrays. So we check that, apply, okay, and let's build again. And there you have it. So now the error message is gone. You can build your project. Thanks for watching.